Hi, you got me. Hi, I'm Gail, and I'm the Storytime girl at the Royal Saskatchewan Museum. Now, I know that we can't all be in the same room together, but we can still have story time. And I thought we could all use a bit of silliness today. I know I can. So I'm going to read 2 stories about ducks. The first one is by Carin Bramsen. It's called Just a Duck. And the other one by Jeff Mack is called Duck in the Fridge. What? Boys and girls, go to your fridge right now and see if there's actually a duck inside. Or maybe there might be a kitty or a bird. I don't know. Anyway, let's find out. And today's craft after this story, well, it's going to be a duck in the fridge. Here we have it. Open the fridge door and quack, quack. So that's what we're going to make after. So let's get started. Just a duck. Just a duck. My good friend Duck. Why slink like that? Well, can't you see? I'm a cat. A cat? But you don't look like me. I will when I grow up. You'll see. Well, my ears are still a little small. I don't see any ears at all. Oh, you don't? But then again, you never know. They might just need some time to grow. So I could be a cat? Hooray! Then you and I can play all day. That does sound fun. Come follow me. I'll take you to my favorite tree. Oh, that is a pretty tree for sure. So pretty, I could almost purr. Well, yes, it's best for climbing though. I'll race you to the top. Let's go. Climbing, climbing. Oh, he's almost there, and uh-oh, he tumbles back down. Oh dear, this really is a shame. I think I'm off my climbing game. Now, we climb with claws, you know. Your claws might need some time to grow. Oh yes, I think they're still way too small. I don't see any claws at all. Well, let's find things we both can do. Hey, there's a lake. Let's play canoe. Oh, no, let's play chase around the trees. And bat at leaves upon the breeze. Sploosh. Don't worry, cat. I'll bring you back. We cats don't like to swim, but quack. Oh boy, kitty cat looks a little drenched. Poor drippy cat. Are you all right? I'll push you to the shore. Hang on tight. Little duck, Pushing along. Oh boy. Oh, kitty cat. Whew, a bit heavy for a little duck. Oh. My friend, how do you swim like that? Are you some kind of super cat? Alas, I think it's just my luck to be no more than just a duck. What? No more than just a duck, you say? Why, you're the duck who saved my day. You're a real hero, don't you see? That you are just the duck for me? Oh, cat, you're a real hero too. If only I could climb like you. But I know what we both can do. The drip, dry, shimmy, shake for two. The end. Oh, well, what did you think about that one, boys and girls? Whew. Well, it turns out the duck was just a duck, but became good friends with the little kitty cat, which is good. All right. Gotta wiggle out my arms a little bit from holding up that book. Okay. The next book is very, very silly. A duck in the fridge, would you believe? Did anybody find a duck in the fridge yet? When I go home tonight, I'm gonna look in my fridge. Duck in the fridge. Okay, kiddo, it's time for bed. Daddy, why do you always read me Mother Goose before bed? Well, it all started when I found a duck in the fridge. A duck in the fridge? That's right. One night when I was a kid, I found a duck in the fridge. Hi there! What a mess! When I went to get a towel, I found 3 more ducks. Hi there! Hey there! Hi there! I tried to get ready for bed, but the ducks were everywhere. I couldn't brush my teeth. Hi there! I couldn't put on my PJs. Hey there. And worst of all, I couldn't sleep. Hey, got any crackers? I gave the ducks some crackers, but they ate them all. Then they ordered out for pizza. Hey, who's going to pay for all this? Just put it on my bill. So I called a 1-800-DUCK-BE-GONE. They sent me a special kit to scare away the ducks. Make sure it's really scary. That's not scary. Meh. Hi there, sheep. The sheep just sat there watching TV. The ducks were not afraid. Buy more pizza, buy more pizza. We should buy more pizza. So I ordered a bigger and better, scarier kit. I said scary, not hairy. Hi there. Hey there. Got any pizza? Contains 3 dogs. That didn't work either. The dogs stayed up all night playing cards. Hey, got any 2s? Go fish. I love card games. Meanwhile, the ducks and the sheep started their own band. Hey kid, name that tuna. Rock and roll. Oh, there was only one thing left to do. danger. Herd of cattle, danger, watch out. Now, that's scary. Well, those cows didn't scare anyone, but they did throw a wild party. How would I ever get to sleep now? Hey, pick a card, any card. I'll take the Queen of Hearts. Shall we dance? Care for some cheese with those crackers? No thanks, I'm on a diet. Ready and read and any good books lately? Nah, I'm a duck. I can't read. That's when I saw the light. Hey, wait a minute, did he say read? Maybe I didn't need to scare them away after all. Hey, mind if I borrow this? My hat! I opened the book and started to read. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She what? How did she fit all of those kids inside one tiny shoe? Maybe it was a boot. They seemed more curious, so I read more. Hey diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow, jumped over the moon. Wow, cool. Why did she jump over the moon? To get to the other side? She said udder. She said udder. Hey, they liked it. They really liked it. More, please. I said, all right, everyone goes to sleep right now. I promise I'll read more tomorrow night. And guess what? They all went to sleep. Just like that. The next night I read the book again. And the same thing happened. Not only was it fun to read, but we all got plenty of sleep. So that's why I read Mother Goose to you every night. Good night, kiddo. Good night, Dad. Good night, everyone. The end. Okay, now, wasn't that just silly? Boy, oh boy, I don't know, boys and girls, tonight you better watch in your bedroom. You might have some extra friends in there before you go to sleep. Now, let's make our little craft. So what you're going to need is, and it doesn't matter what color of construction paper you have, or a file folder or something that you can recycle. You'll need a piece of red paper like this, a glue stick, a marker of any color, I just happen to be using black, a pair of scissors, and 2 buttons if you'd like. I just thought, well, let's recycle some things that we have around the house. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is fold this paper in half. And then once you've done that, make a line right in the middle of your paper. Now, what I did after is, you can see that I made a line all the way around just so you have like, it looks more like a fridge. So you can draw a line all around the edges. There, just like that. Then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue on my 2 buttons so they're the handles for the doors of the fridge. And you can use any kind of buttons for this. This is what's really nice about this. So there's my first button. And then I'm going to glue my second button. our door and our handles to the fridge. Now, what you're going to do, boys and girls, is you're going to cut along that line that's in the middle. So, just going to cut along. Just like that. So it ends up looking like this. Because what you're going to do is you're going to be able to open up the fridge. Now, inside, right here, if you can get a picture of a duck or draw a picture of a duck, or you have something that you can recycle at home, or a calendar picture, or even if it's not a duck, take a picture of this animal and glue it in the top part of your paper. Like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write quack, quack, I see you. There. So boys and girls, you have your fridge. And when you want to open that fridge, quack, quack, I see you. So you're duck in the fridge. Thank you for coming and, well, joining me for story time today, boys and girls. And remember, there's lots of magic in the world, and it starts all right here in your imagination. Until next time, bye.